my channel. We're going to Paris. This spring of this year, we are headed to Paris for 1 week, and I have a ton of outfits I cannot wait to wear. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I plan to wear. Let's get started. Alright, so our first look is something I'd probably wear to Cassette Cafe, Cafe Zuflor, Angelina's Cafe, any cafe that is very photogenic. So what I'm wearing is a Chanel bag, Chanel blazer, Abercrombie Fitch trouser, pants, and Jimmy Choo slide. So up next, I'm wearing an outfit that I think is really cute, really comfortable, something I would wear maybe around the flea market, Champs-Élysées, somewhere where I'm going to be comfortable but also look cute at the same time. So I am wearing just some regular, non-specific brand cat eye glasses that I thought were really cute. And then I'm wearing a Loft fluffy sweatshirt, kind of almost similar to chenille, maybe a little mohair. This is snake print olive green skirt from Christina's boutique in Margate, New Jersey, and these are my Hermes boots. I am also holding my Hermes bag. And then if I got a little cold because the weather's going to be mild, this is what I would wear over top. This cute camel colored wool, part wool coatigan, I would say. I think it's called a coatigan. It's not quite a jacket and it's not quite a cardigan. It's that in between. It does have a little tie off that I could add to it, but this would just kind of add to the look and it would be comfortable but not too hot. Alright, so up next we have a look that is specifically for Versailles. I really don't see myself wearing this anywhere else. So I am wearing a Bordeaux blazer dress. It's very Baroque Parisian style. I am also wearing my Givenchy boots. I am holding here an Alexander McQueen clutch / handbag with ring handle detailing. And then I would just finish off this look with some white cat eye glasses. So if you don't know now, you now know that I am a sucker for a good cat eye pair of glasses. So this would be my look for Versailles. Okay, so up next, I have a look that I would probably wear to a restaurant like Pink Mama, some of the main touristy areas to walk around in. So what I'm wearing is Fendi glasses, Chanel bag. I just have like a tank top I got from Marshall's. I am wearing this beautiful blue periwinkle cropped cardigan with puffy sleeves from the same boutique in Margate, New Jersey, Christina's boutique. It's got really nice crystal buttons for detail. And then I'm wearing my Abercrombie faux leather pants with Givenchy boots. So what you could do alternatively to make this a more outdoorsy look is just switching out the cardigan with, of course, a very over-the-top outdoor jacket. So what you could do is just switch up this jacket here. So this is a Givenchy long jacket. It's thinner in material, but it's still really comfy. It would definitely keep me warm in March. This is a really nice look. Fuzzy, soft, something I got from an auction a little bit ago, and it's a great bonus to this outfit. Of course, I'm still wearing my Chanel bag, and I could stay warm this way if the cardigan wasn't enough. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video of things I plan to wear at Paris for 1 week in the spring. I hope that you found this helpful. I will put in the description below all the outfits I wore today so that hopefully you can find them too. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys in